There he is again, little bastard. He just keeps eating everything and just does not give two shits that I'm here. Look at him go. Look at him go. That's my spirit animal. Armadillo. I mean, armadillo. Yeah, one of those. Can't even see the little bastard. Let's watch him freak out. Hey, little guy. Are you eating my goddamn mushrooms again? You just get all whacked out on Scooby snacks, huh? Hello? Guy. Guy. Dude. What? Dude, for real? Hey. Hey. Hey, guy. Guy. Hey. Hey, yo, right here. Yo, no. Over here. Yo, no. No. Hey. Knock it off. He's a little guy. Look at him go. He's stuck. Oh, no. He can't go that way. He can't. Oh, no, he can't go that way. Okay, he knows where he's going. Well, that's the guy, guys. Oh, there he goes, walking away. He's gonna go find more of my mushrooms. Just walks through the water. Just fuck it, right?